Proper nouns are specific names that always require capital letters. They identify unique people, places, or things that are different from common nouns. Proper nouns name specific people, such as Marie Curie, specific places like Paris, specific organizations such as the United Nations, and titles of books, movies, or songs, for example, Hamlet. Always capitalize the first letter of proper nouns. For example, names like Amazon, Jupiter, and Einstein always start with a capital letter. Examples of proper nouns include people like William Shakespeare and Malala Yousafzai. Specific places include New York and Mount Everest. A common mistake is not capitalizing the first letter of proper nouns. For example, the Eiffel Tower is incorrect, while the Eiffel Tower is correct because it is a specific place name. Proper nouns also include company names like Google and Microsoft, events such as the Olympics and the World Cup, brands like Nike and Coca-Cola, and languages such as English and Japanese. Proper nouns should always be capitalized in sentences. For instance, you write, "I visited Paris last summer." It is incorrect to write, "I visited Paris last summer." Always capitalize proper nouns to show that they are specific names. Remember that common nouns remain lowercase unless they start a sentence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.